You're watching All Things Antonia. I hope you subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Antonia. I've missed you. I've been gone for weeks and weeks and weeks, but I am back and I'm doing something a little different. I've actually done this on my channel before. As you can see behind me, I have come from the grocery store and I'm going to do a grocery haul for you guys. So like I said, I've done these on my channel before, way back when I first started my channel last year. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what I picked up from the grocery store, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first item that I have is just this bag of chicken. These are the frozen, grilled, and glazed chicken breast fillets. They are boneless, skinless, smoke flavor added, blah, blah, blah. So I just grabbed these. It would be something quick and simple and easy to cook, to prepare for meals like during the week, or something that I could prepare at night and take, you know, with a salad or something for lunch for work. So I picked these up and I got a bag of stir fry mix. I should mention that I did shop at Kroger today, so you can see the Kroger label there. And I really like to shop at Kroger because they just have affordable prices. They always have really good sales. They do a lot of 10 for 10. They always have things marked down. So this is marked down to 99 cents. And I'm not sure what it had been, but this is the stir fry kit. It has coconut and curry sauce or something like that. I've had this before. It's really good. It has purple cabbage, carrots, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and everything like that. I also think this would be really good to go with the grilled chicken. So I could like cook the chicken, slice it up, add it with the stir fry, and I think that would be really good as well. Okay, so the next thing I picked up is some baby arugula. I usually like to get spinach, but I like to get it in these big containers when it's marked down. And they didn't have any spinach marked down. Usually if they don't have spinach, I'll get kale. They didn't have any kale marked down. They did have baby arugula though. So I like to just add some type of greenery to my meals. So yeah, I found this package right here, and this was marked down to $1.30. So I thought that was a really good deal. I always try to find things marked down if I can instead of paying full price. So yeah, also another good thing about shopping at Kroger is they have the Kroger app. And if you download the Kroger app, then you can download coupons, and you put in your Kroger card ID number, and you can download your coupons. So when you go to the store, all you do is swipe your card and your coupons automatically come off. You don't have to have like coupons in hand. So that comes in handy a lot. Also every Friday, they always do a free download. So you can get one item for free. You never know what it's going to be. You just have to check every Friday. And then also they've recently started doing like a 2-day sale. So it's usually Friday and Saturday, or maybe sometimes Saturday and Sunday, but I think it's usually Friday and Saturday. And they'll have a lot of really good deals. Like a lot of things will be like 99 cents or $1.99, things like that. So yeah, love shopping there. This video is not sponsored by Kroger. It's just where I like to shop locally. So yeah. Okay, so another sale item that they had today is the Italian sausage. You could get I got the mild Italian sausage. They also have a hot Italian sausage. I would imagine they have a regular, but I like the mild. I did get it in the ground sausage, but they did have the sausage links. They may have had the sausage patties, I'm not for sure, but I wasn't looking for those. I was just looking for the ground sausage. And I like to add this to many different things, spaghetti or some soups, or Also, like just for breakfast, like omelets, eggs, scrambles, and things like that. So these were on sale today for $1.99. And I got some bananas. I like to get the organic bananas just because I try to eat a little healthy somewhat sometimes. I used to be really good about focusing on eating organic foods and things like that. I substituted a lot of things, mainly like dairy products. But yeah, so I did pick up some bananas. These are the organic bananas. And yeah, I only got 4 of these. Bananas just go bad so fast. I don't want to buy too many at one time. I also got a roll of paper towels. I got a package of provolone sliced cheese. I did get it in the Kroger brand. I get this cheese all the time and it tastes really, really good. This one has the smoked flavor as well. And I like these for sandwiches that I may take to lunch, that I may take for lunch to work. So like a turkey sandwich, something like that. My favorite thing is a turkey sandwich on wheat bread with some provolone cheese, a little bit of mayonnaise, maybe add some avocado and some tomato. Speaking of sandwiches, I did get some bread, so I just got the whole wheat bread. I did get some yogurt. So this is the Noosa Mates yogurt, and I got 4 of them. So as you can see, they did have these marked down to 99 cents as well. I got it in the raspberry flavor. So I got these 2 juices. These are from Bolthouse Farms. This one is the banana honey almond butter, and it has 30 grams of protein per bottle with 21 vitamins and minerals. And it just looks like this. I like this a lot. And then I also got the low sugar Bolthouse Farms juice. I'm not sure if you can see that. Okay, so I got the low sugar Bolthouse Farms juice, and this is the coffee flavor, and it has 16 grams of protein. It's actually like a protein shake, I guess you could call it, but I like to carry these to work on days when I don't have breakfast or I don't really have an appetite for breakfast, but like I need to eat something. I picked up some water, and if you watched my previous grocery haul videos back when I first started doing YouTube, then you'll remember these waters. I've been drinking alkaline water, and this is the Kroger brand alkaline water, and this has a pH balance of 9.5. And so yeah, I like to pick up these big bottles. I only got 2. They are, I believe, like 79 cents at the grocery store. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these because I already have some in the fridge. I just need to restock. I got some juice. So I picked up the Simply Lemonade with blueberry juice, and I picked up the Simply Fruit Punch juice drink. And usually I don't purchase these because they're more than I want to pay for them. But I did pick them up today because they were having a sale. It's one of those 2-day only sales, and these were only 99 cents. I believe that these retail for like $2.99 or something like that. Yeah, I think these retail for like $2.99 a piece, and I got both of them for only $2, which is cheaper than the price of just one. So yeah, and the thing about Kroger also with their coupons, you can use it up to 5 times in a single transaction. So yeah, so it's not just like a one and done. You can use it up to 5 times. I could have got 5 of these for $5. Just saying. Okay, so we're almost done. The next thing I picked up is just a box of oatmeal. This is the Quaker Oats Instant Oatmeal. I got the flavor variety, so this one comes with the apples and cinnamon, maple and brown sugar, and cinnamon spice. So I like to take these to work because, you know, a girl's gotta eat. So I like to have things like this on hand in my drawer at work. I usually don't have time to eat before I leave, so I'll just eat my breakfast at work. And so I just like to have a variety of things to choose from for breakfast. And so these go nicely in my little cabinet drawer on my desk at work. And so yeah. And then the last thing that I picked up is just a box of K-Cups, and these are the Green Mountain Coffee Roasters Wild Mountain Blueberry. Y'all, this coffee is so good. I haven't had this coffee in a very long time actually, but I used to drink this all the time, probably a year or so ago, and then I saw it today and I was like, you know what, I want this coffee again. So it kind of gives me like fall vibes, and I know we're in July and it's not fall time yet, but I just wanted to switch it up, you know, have some different coffee flavors. So I was running low on some coffee K-Cups and decided that I would just go ahead and try these once again. But yeah, I really do like these. Comment down below if you've ever tried the blueberry flavored coffee. Today is July 13th, Saturday, July 13th, and the Hallmark Channel is doing Christmas in July, and they are showing Christmas movies now through the end of the month. And guess what I'm doing today? I'm gonna be on my couch watching Christmas movies, drinking my coffee, editing a video, and yeah, that's how I'm gonna be spending my day. So also, I was watching back through some of my videos from my 12 Days of Christmas series, and so if you haven't seen those videos and you're in the Christmas spirit for Christmas in July like I am, I'll link the playlist of my Christmas videos and you can go back and watch those, or if you just want to watch them again, that's fine also. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for today's video. That's everything that I bought in my grocery haul for today. I really didn't get, I mean, I got quite a few things, but I already have food in my fridge and my freezer that I can cook, so these are just things to add to that, I guess you could say, and like things for work to get me through the week. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this grocery haul, and comment down below, let me know how you feel about me bringing these grocery haul videos back. Also be sure to check the description box for the link to my Christmas playlist, my 12 Days of Christmas. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. For all of my new subscribers that I've gained recently, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I greatly appreciate you. Be sure to thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.